Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Cath. So for this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fillable PDF using Canva and PDFescape. Let's start. So last time, we made this journal planner, the self-love journal planner and the gratitude journal. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can make this planner or the journal planner fillable. So if ever you want to type here on the page, you can do it. So all you need to do is to download it. Okay, let's just choose the PDF standard and then all pages. So download. So once you downloaded the document or the PDF that you designed in Canva, all you need to do is to search for the PDFescape.com and then choose the free online. So PDFescape is a free PDF editor and form filler. So if you want to create a fillable PDF, just go to this site, PDFescape.com. So let's click free online and then choose the upload PDF to PDFescape and then drag the PDF document that you've created. And as you can see, we can now see our design. The next step that we need to do is to choose the form field, and then you have the option if you want to insert just text or a text paragraph. So I'm going to choose the text paragraph, and then you can now see a green box. Okay, and then I drag it and to the bottom of the page. Okay, and then let's try this page too. Okay, all we need to do is to choose a font and the font size, or let's choose here. Okay, then click the arrow down button. This is the save and download PDF, and let's check how our PDF will look. I'm going to click it, and then let's see if we can now type hello everyone. Let's try. So that's it. Now you can see that the planner became fillable. So that's how you can make a fillable planner using Canva and PDFescape. Okay, that's it. And let's try here. Okay, hello. So there you go, guys. So that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to make a fillable planner using Canva and PDFescape. Again, all you need to do is to make your design in Canva and download it as a PDF standard or PDF print. Then go to PDFescape and choose the form field and drag the form on the part of your document that you want your text to put in. Okay, so that's it. We're done. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something new in this tutorial. See you on my next video. Love you much.